Question 41. What kind and polarity of current is used for welding steel studs? Answer, DCEN. Question 42. Which of the following diagram types does not feature horizontal lines? Answer, isometric. Question 43. Who should set up your new GMAW machine? Answer, qualified electrician. Question 44. What does TIG stand for? Answer, tungsten inert gas. Question 45. Which of the following causes the torch tip to emit a hissing sound? Answer, too much oxygen pressure on a small tip. Question 46. A welding technique that employs just electricity and heat to connect tiny metal parts is? Answer, resistance welding. Question 47. Can empty cylinders of fuel gas and oxygen be kept together? Answer, false. Question 48. What would excessive drag lines suggest while doing oxy-fuel cutting? Answer, travel speed is too fast. Question 49. Which of the following are shown in schematics? Answer, relationship of components in a system. Question 50. In oxyacetylene welding operations, may hose clamps be used to join hoses? Answer, false. Question 51. Which of the following blade types should be used with a bandsaw to cut carbon steel? Answer, regular straight tooth, 6 to 10 TPI. Question 52. What would be the greatest material to use to create a permanent pipe template? Answer, fiber gasket. Question 53. Upon completion of a brazing joint, the extra flux must be removed. Why? Answer, it can lead to corrosion. Question 54. What does the acronym AWS mean? Answer, American Welding Society. Question 55. A method for connecting metals that combines heat in a filler metal without melting the base metal is known as? Answer, brazing. Question 56. When the welder is switched off, the electrodes must be removed from their holders, correct? Answer, true. Question 57. The color of chemically inert gas pipes is black. Answer, true. Question 58. Which of the following will occur if a slow-turning drill with a set rate of speed is used? Answer, drill bit will break. Question 59. What sort of design depicts all three sides evenly and employs horizontal plane lines at 30 degrees? Answer, isometric. Question 60. Which of the following is known as a gear's pitch circle? Answer, pitch diameter,